Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word charters. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The organization was able to secure funding for their community initiatives through government charters. In this context, charters refer to official documents or contracts that grant specific rights and privileges, particularly in relation to government or organizations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.